What's going on YouTube? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and in this video I'm going to show you my very first dividend payment from Exxon. So I do have some shares with Exxon, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my very first dividend payment. I'm pretty excited. But hey, listen, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I'm gonna jump onto good old Robinhood here. I already have the screen recording going. I'm gonna touch my Robinhood app. There we go. And I'm gonna scroll down to XOM. That's the ticker symbol XOM, which is for Exxon. I'll touch on that right now. And as you guys can see here, it pulled it up, Exxon Mobil. This currently, it's trading for $56.55. Let me show you my dividend payment here. I'll scroll down to the bottom. There we go, on March 10th. I'll touch on it for you guys. So you see March 10th here, because I owned 103.0338 shares, I got a dividend payment. Now Exxon is paying 0.87 cents for each share that you own. So currently, because of that, if you did 103.0038 times 87, that equals $89.64. Now that doesn't seem like a lot, but believe it or not, that's going to continue to grow as I invest more money with Exxon, whether I took the dividend payment just like I just got and bought more shares, or it's going to grow even faster. My dividend payments will grow faster if I invested, let's say, maybe $100 a month, or maybe $100 every 2 weeks. And if I were buying more shares with Exxon, let's say if I was purchasing $100 worth of shares every 2 weeks, my dividend payment is going to grow, which is going to help it continue to do the snowball effect, the compounding interest effect, where basically every single dividend payment that I get is going to be more money. So right here on the screen, you guys see there, I got the dividend payment on March 10th. Now, I do not have the dividend reinvestment already set up. I'll show you guys. So I touch on the screen here. At the very bottom, you see it says enable dividend reinvestment. And so what that means is if I click on this, it will automatically allow me to allow Robinhood to just purchase more shares on my behalf. So every time I get a dividend payment, instead of posting into my Robinhood account, it's just going to purchase more Exxon Mobil shares automatically. So it's basically like a set it and forget it type of thing. But because your boy is OCD, and because I think I can, maybe get the price for each share at a cheaper price if I don't enable it, and purchase it myself, maybe I'll save a couple of bucks. And that is actually what happened. When I got the dividend payment, it was like 60 something dollars per share. But right now, if I scroll back up, you guys see that right now at the making of this video, it's $56.55. Now that's actually $3 or $4 less than when I actually bought it. I'll show you guys here at the bottom. I'll scroll back down and show you guys here, right where it says history. I'm going to click on March 15th. So you see there's a deduction out of my account for $89.64, which is the exact amount of the dividend payment that I got. And at the time that I bought the shares, it was $60.04. So that allowed me to get 1.49 worth of shares. So almost 1.5 worth of shares from Exxon. So just showing you guys here, once again, you see that I got the dividend payment on March 10th for $89.64. And then on March 15th, I purchased exactly $89.64 worth of shares with Exxon. I'm kind of kicking myself because I was like, man, if I had just waited, if I had waited some more, maybe I would have gotten it a little bit cheaper, maybe around $57 or $58. But some people don't like to worry about that. So that would be one of the good reasons why you would just automatically turn on or enable dividend reinvestment, so you don't have to think about it. So basically how it works, when you get a dividend payment, it posts to your Robinhood account, and right where you guys see buying power, that is where your dividend payment is going to be reflected. So I actually already used the $89.64, right? But currently, part of that balance, the 106.17, part of that balance is another dividend payment from another company. And of course, I'm going to make those videos telling you and showing you what exactly I'm talking about there. So actually, the $106.17 are two dividend payments from two different companies that pay dividends. One of the things that I really, really like about this is the beginning. This is the beginning of me starting to get the snowball effect. And this is actually really cool. I'm by no means a guru or anything like that. I'm just somebody that is learning along the way, just like you guys, how this works. And I'm really excited to document my journey. And hopefully I can help some of you guys along the way and encourage or motivate you guys to invest in dividend types of stocks, dividend paying stocks. So I'm really excited. I'm going to be making a video showing and sharing basically how many dividend payments I've gotten since the beginning of 2020. All right, so that video will be coming pretty soon, but that's going to be pretty much it for this one. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.